Hey guys, welcome to Not Quite a Homestead. So today we are going to plant this here kiwi. The thing about kiwi is it doesn't like where we live, so we're growing a hardy kiwi. This particular cultivar is an Issai kiwi. It grows up to, I believe it grows up to zone 4, and we're in zone 6, so hopefully this will do really well. So come on, let's get this thing in the ground. So just like most other container type plants, we're going to dig a hole that's just the same size as the container that it's in. So this one's going to go down a little bit less than a foot with probably about a 6-inch diameter. It's just a 1-gallon container. We're going to set some fertilizer in the hole. We're going to backfill it, and then we're going to water it in really well. So we put about a tablespoon of the trifecta in the planting hole and mixed it around, and now we're just going to backfill and water it in. So now that we got this guy all planted up, we are going to have to build a trellis. It's fine right now with this bamboo stick, but we'll be fixing up a trellis here in the next couple of weeks, and we'll show you how we do that. These kiwi are real fun because they're these tiny little grape-sized kiwi berries. You can find them in the grocery store, but they're a little bit pricey, so we're excited to have more garden snacks. A lot of kiwis are going to need a pollinator. Then you're going to need the male and female varieties. This particular one, Issai, is a self-pollinating variety, so while we will get more food from the plant if we have additional plants, it will actually flower and fruit with just the one plant. We're probably going to add a couple more plants, but for now it's just this guy. Thanks so much for joining us again this week, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Have a good day.